The history of pharmacy today. Pharmacies are found on nearly every busy street and inside most supermarkets. They are places where people go to receive medicines, healthcare advice, and professional pharmaceutical services. While many people think pharmacies are a modern invention, their history stretches back more than 1,000 years. In fact, some of the world's earliest organized pharmacies appeared in Baghdad, Iraq, during the Islamic Golden Age. At the beginning of the 9th century, pharmacists became independent professionals who operated their own pharmacies. These family-owned businesses served local communities by preparing and selling medicines made from natural herbs, minerals, and carefully measured chemical compounds. Government officials regularly inspected these pharmacies. The inspectors checked that pharmacists used accurate weights and measures, maintained the purity of medicines, and followed proper standards. Hospitals of that era also contained their own dispensaries, where medicines were prepared specifically for patients. Skilled pharmacists worked closely with physicians to create treatments for a wide variety of illnesses. Sabr ibn Sal was among the first physicians to describe a large collection of medicines and remedies for different diseases. His writings became valuable references for later pharmacists and doctors. Another great scholar, Al-Razi, introduced the use of chemical compounds in medicine. His careful observations and scientific methods helped improve the quality and effectiveness of medical treatments. His work encouraged future researchers to combine chemistry with medicine in new and innovative ways. Ibn Sina. He documented around 700 medicinal preparations, carefully describing their ingredients, properties, actions, and medical uses. His famous writings became standard medical textbooks for centuries in both the Islamic world and Europe. Another brilliant scientist, Al-Kindi, made an equally important contribution by developing methods for calculating the correct dosage of medicines. His work laid the foundation for accurate pharmaceutical formulas and safe drug administration, principles that remain essential in modern healthcare today. During the 10th century, Al-Zahrawi, one of history's greatest surgeons and pharmacists, revolutionized pharmaceutical science. He pioneered the preparation of medicines using distillation and sublimation, techniques that allowed pharmacists to produce many new drugs with greater purity. His famous medical encyclopedia, Al-Tasrif, explained how to prepare both simple and complex medicines. It included methods for producing numerous chemical substances and pharmaceutical compounds that expanded the range of available treatments. Another important scholar, Abu al-Mansur Muwafaq, wrote the foundations of the true properties of remedies. In this work, he accurately described several chemical substances, including arsenious oxide and silicic acid. He also distinguished between sodium carbonate and potassium carbonate and warned physicians about the poisonous nature of copper and lead compounds. These discoveries demonstrated an advanced understanding of chemistry and toxicology. In the 11th century, Al-Biruni produced one of the greatest works on pharmacy, the Book of Pharmacology, clearly defined the responsibilities and ethical duties of pharmacists. Their books were translated into Latin and studied by generations of European physicians and pharmacists. Scholars such as Ibn al-Wafid and Ibn al-Bayta produced massive encyclopedias describing thousands of medicinal plants, foods, and natural remedies. The dedication, knowledge, and innovation of these remarkable Muslim scientists laid the foundations of pharmaceutical science and continue to influence healthcare around the world.